get lost. I don't have you anymore. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Another week, another video. Before I start the video, let's take a moment and recognize the ironicity. Basically, it's really ironic how a lot of you are commenting on my last vlog how fabulous my skin looks, and I have these two twins on my face. I'm pretty sure you might not be able to see them as clearly because I did cover them up, but if you can still see them, shame on me. By the title of this video, you know what this video is about. It is an Eid clothing haul. I have never seen this video on YouTube. Why is that? There's so many Christmas hauls, there's so many hauls, but there's no Eid haul. I was like, I like shopping and I like hauling things, so I will go buy stuff that I will wear on Eid and show it to you guys, and that is exactly what I am doing today. I'm showing you all the stuff and the contender outfits that are in the running to be one of the outfits that I will wear on Eid and obviously after Eid as well. I have been loving ethnic at the moment. I feel like I go through these phases where I like to shop and then I shop a lot from it and I completely stop shopping from it. I've had this stage with Sapphire, then I moved on to Khadi, and now I've moved on to ethnic. And I have accumulated very quickly a lot of clothing from ethnic. Anyway, I'm done talking, let's get on with it. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is a very trendy piece, and I say trendy because it has a lot of embroidered detailing on it, and it has this frilly thing on the sides. Frills are so in this season, guys. I love frills. They're not the most practical sleeves out there, but they're really cute. They make an outfit look really nice. In the cutout, you're gonna see I paired this shirt with blue palazzo pants. I actually got the palazzo pants from Forever 21, and they were super long on me, but I got them altered, and now they look absolutely amazing. Up on a more casual side of it, say if you're going somewhere in the morning or if you're meeting your friends on a casual day in the morning, then you can wear something like this. I like that you should always have like a really dressier option which you can have on one day and then like a casual outfit that you can wear on another day. So this is more of a casual laid back Eid outfit. This cloth is such a throwback for me. You know what this cloth is actually called? It has these metallic colored lines running across it, and I got this from Lohari Ink. Lohari Ink again is just killing it. I feel like it's a very good Facebook page which has turned into a brand, and now they have their own website. Links down below. Not sponsored, wish it was though. I paired this with a plain white t-shirt with the same blue palazzo pants. Alive, I have been really into bold print. Because it's summer and Eid is coming in summer, I don't want chiffon, I don't want net, I want cotton. I can dress it up with jewelry, I can make nice hair and dress it up with nice shoes, but I want something light on my body. This is exactly that. I don't know why, but Eid has always been a hot day. It could be because I have mehndi on my hands and that just exudes more heat energy. I don't know if that's just me, but yeah. This is a very cool outfit. I love the pattern, I love the print, it's very summery. I love the detailing of the sleeves. I got this shirt from Lohari Ink. The fact that it has embroidery on the sleeves, as you know, I love embroidered stuff. As soon as I saw this on the rack, I was like, I need to buy it because this shirt is literally me in a shirt. It has embroidery all over it. I love the cut of the shirt. It's not really straight and it's not really completely A-line. It's kind of like a perfect in-between. And it has embroidery all running across it. It has a boat neck. The sleeves have these detailings. I love it when sleeves have a little bit of detailing because it just makes them look interesting. It makes the whole outfit look interesting. And I really like baggy sleeves because I have quite thin hands. So I like something which is a little baggy and it doesn't make my hands look skinnier. And this is really good. I like the fact that it cinches in on your hands. It makes your hands look longer. Is also very me. I feel like I'm gonna say this a lot because every single outfit I've picked up is very close to my style. This shirt I also picked up from Ethnic, and this reminds me of something that you would find at a Zara store, and I really like Zara, so that is why I guess I like Ethnic. They have this really cute Western meets Eastern trend going on in these clothes, and this shirt is like a very good representation of that. Gorgeous embroidery, like I love the embroidery on this. Love pastel pinks, and I love it when light colored outfits have like really bright embroidery. And it's more on the casual side, so if you're going somewhere in the daytime to have lunch or have breakfast at someone's house, a very good shirt for that. Last but not the least, the item which is really out there, and I feel like it's something that I would wear on a more glam night out for Eid, like if someone's having a party at their place and everyone's coming, your whole family's coming, and you want to look a little put together but you don't want to wear chiffon, then for that I picked up this. This is an A-line frock which also has pockets and has a little detailing on the pockets as well. I love the back of this shirt. It's a nice V, and I love the shoulder pads as well. I feel like it's very different. So the shoulders are secured with buttons, and obviously if you undo them, the shirt's just gonna fall off your body, but also don't do that. It has these coin things which remind me of Sapphire, because I feel like Sapphire shirts used to have a lot of coin stuff, but I love it. I love the fact that the embroidery is so pretty. Like the shirt is so plain, but the embroidery makes it look so pretty. I love the paneling and the flare of this shirt. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I will now see you in my next video. I hope you have a lovely Eid. I hope you have a lovely weekend of shopping, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!